Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of mixing polymer clay. I am going to show you how to create this beautiful neutral colored clay from scratch. Now some may call this an antique white or a linen. I like to call it a sweet cream cold brew because it looks like the color of my coffee I order from Starbucks. Yes, I am one of those who needs a little bit of coffee with my creamer. So whether you are a seasoned expert with polymer clay or just a beginner, this is a fun and easy recipe. So grab your polymer clay and let's get making. Hi, I am Sue Ann, Jesus enthusiast, wife, mother, and maker of things. Follow along with me in making crafts, apparel, jewelry, and so much more, all while sharing daily life experiences. And being a mother of 5, I promise I have plenty of those. So put on your confidence cap and let's get to making. Materials needed today are going to be white polymer clay. I am using Sculpt Primo. Polymer clay in the shade Latte, which I'm using Sculpt Souffle. A craft knife, rolling pin or pasta machine, and a mixing surface such as marble or glass. Step 1. Okay, so we're gonna begin with a chunk of white polymer clay and a chunk of the latte. I did about 1 part white polymer clay to 2/3 of the latte to obtain the color that you saw at the beginning of the video. Now you can definitely add more or less depending on the desired shade that you wish to obtain. We're gonna go ahead and cut these up into smaller pieces first. Step 2. Now we're going to go ahead and mix those smaller pieces together. We're going to continue mixing and molding in our hands to condition the clay until we are at a point where you can use your roller. This took me about a minute and a half to do. Step number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my rolling pin to flatten it enough to roll it through my pasta machine without much resistance. If you have a pasta machine, put it on the first setting, which is number 1, and run your clay through about 5 times. Be sure each time you run it through, you are folding it and inserting it at the seam to help prevent bubbles in your clay. Now, if you only have a roller, continue rolling, picking up your clay, folding it, repositioning it, and then roll some more. This is going to take a little more time, but it's okay. So as you can see here, my colors are mixing nicely, but there is still more to blend. So I am tearing my clay apart and pressing it in between my fingers to make sure everything is blended evenly without streaks being present. At the same time, you're conditioning your clay really well during this process, which is going to help it whenever you decide to cut something out and bake it. So I am now going to repeat step 3 until all of my clay is mixed into one solid color. This took me about 5 minutes total. And there you have it, your homemade sweet cream cold brew polymer clay color. See, I wasn't lying. Let's see, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future DIY videos. We'll see you next time. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a tutorial on how I made these earrings. What do you think? Be sure to subscribe so you can see that video. Until next time, be confident in who you are and all that you do. Bye.